Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you a homemade brightening soap. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I've got my melt and pour soap over here. I am using about 200 grams of the soap. I'll just go ahead and melt it in the microwave. So it's all melted now. I will come in with about 2 tablespoonfuls of coconut oil. Next, I'll add about 3 tablespoonfuls of goat's milk, a teaspoonful of chickpea flour, a teaspoonful of rice flour. I'll go ahead and give it a good mix. I've got my silicone mold over here. I'll just pour the soap mixture into it. I'll leave this alone to set for about 24 hours. So it's been after about 24 hours and here we are. It's all set now. I'll just get them out of the silicone mold. And our skin brightening soap is ready. Now you can use this for both your face and your body. So you can wet this up a little, put it on your face, leave this on your face for about 30 seconds to a minute, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. This will not dry out your skin. This is especially very good for those with dry skin. All the ingredients used for this soap are great lightening ingredients. They are natural and very effective. Talk about goat's milk, rice flour, chickpea flour. With all these 3 combined, you are going to get the greatest results. This is gentle. It does not irritate your skin, but at the end, it's going to give you the results you are looking for. This is essentially good for those with hyperpigmentation, those with acne scars, and those who just want to even out their skin tone in general. It can be used every day and you're going to see results in about 2 weeks. So this is it and I hope I did help you. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.